Good afternoon. Meron naman po tayo ditong bagong accessory to help us enable our Starlink Mini to be securely mounted sa ating sasakyan. They said this is an aluminum magnetic mount. This is the mount. Mount natin dito sa Starlink Mini. And then ito yung kanyang mga magnets. Let's install. How to install it with our Starlink Mini. Ang gagawin natin to. Okay. This one goes here. What we can do is test our Starlink Mini to run not using the supplied power adapter. This is the standard Starlink power adapter. So what we'll do now is do away with this. This is the standard Starlink DC 5521 to DC 5521, 15 meters of cable. So we'll do away with this also because you require the standard power adapter. What we'll do is use these adapters which I bought from Amazon and Alibaba. This is a 2 meter USB-C to DC 5521 and this is 15 meters USB-C to DC 5521. We will power the Starlink using our Anchor Prime portable power bank. We will use the 15-meter cable. This plugs in here and then this one will be on top of our car. Doon na sa roof like before, yung kotse natin, no? Doon natin sa roof ilalagay. Then okay, galing ah. Lakas kumapit. Okay, testing lang tayo. We've stopped for a while. Dito kami sa merong bridge somewhere going to Mall of Asia. Okay. So mahirap mag-test while moving. Dangerous. So ito, let's see ang ating Starlink. Okay. .5 and download and then upload is 12. Okay, let's do another test. Another test, same location. Okay, ayan. So we're getting 103, 107. Download. And around 10, upload. Ayun. And ating Starlink. With our Starlink. Very good. So till next time.